going on YouTube? It's another beautiful day and we are back again with another install video. Today's video is going to be from the M&J group. They sent me a set of rock lights for the Ranger back in the day, but I did know that I was going to be probably switching over to the Raptor, which you guys saw in the last video. So they were patient enough to let me, do my change before sending out this install video. So today, we're going to be installing some lights on these bad boys. So the kit that we're putting on today is the M&J Motors RGB LED rock lights. The guys messaged me, shot me an email saying that they'd like me to do a video installing these on the Ranger. And I was like, you know what? F it, why not? Looks dope, works from a phone. I see no problem. So let's just get this going. I'm gonna open up the box, sprawl everything out, see what we're working with, and we'll just go from there. This here. Alright guys, as you can see, I've kind of just laid out like some of the stuff that it comes with. Not enough space for me to get everything out, but it looks like right off the bat they give you 6 of these in the main little center area here, which I would just plug to a battery real quick just to make sure everything's working. You've got the main, dropped it. You've got the main control unit here. Seems like how it works is main control unit. This side will plug into your battery or wherever you're going to ground it. Main control unit plugs directly into the rock lights by a simple connection here. They do give you 2 options of mounting it. Either you could use the screws, and looks like these are like shrink wrap for you when you heat up the wires to keep everything clean, or it looks like they got some double-sided tape method. I'm probably going to go with the more double-sided tape method, maybe some zip ties to kind of just hold everything in place, just seeing how everything mounts on the truck. In case you just guys want to see the instructions, because I'm very big on instructions, it's really straightforward. So as you can see, exactly what I was saying, you're going to mount everything to the positive and the negative, switch it over, figure out where you're going to mount it. Looks like they're saying to mount it underneath so that you have equal space to kind of string everything along. They do give you some extension wiring as well, so that in case you need a little bit more length, it looks like, between the rock lights. This kit that they sent me did send me 12 of these. I'm probably only going to use 2, 4, 6, 8 of them, because I'll just run 2 lights under each wheel well. But it definitely is cool because in case you guys are running something a little bit more extensive, you have everything going there. So unlike what I normally do with the Ranger, is anytime I do any type of wiring, I would normally hook it up to the auxiliary switches. This time I think I'm just going to hook it up to the battery itself, because it actually has a switch on it that I can turn on and off. And since there's no like switches on the inside, everything's through the phone, I'm going to probably just have it where it'll switch on and off. Mainly I'll keep it off and then turn it on when I want to use it, and then connect to the phone afterwards. Yeah, so I'm going to put everything here and just kind of route it to see where everything will fit and how much length I'll need. So just to show you guys really quick, I have it kind of just dropped down from the engine bay, dropped it underneath, found the spot where I'll have the control hub. And then after that, you just kind of route these wires. It's just little pigtails, very easy to do. So I'm just mapping out where I'm gonna have everything, just running through there, going straight. I'll mount it underneath, clips onto the other ones, which I'll mount in here, and then you'll be good. It's actually a very, very, very straightforward install. And then once that's all mounted up cleanly, I'll plug everything in, just find positive, and then just find somewhere to ground. I might ground it here, a little bit cleaner, but be straightforward. So we'll be right back. All right, so we got everything rocking and rolling. The lights are on. I'm still just gonna clean up the wiring a little bit because I gotta just figure out where to mount it, but I just want to show you guys. So we got that going. The app that you're going to use is the MICTUNING app, which shows you everything here, different little party modes, just so you guys can see it. Or you could just go full RGB, choose the color that you like, and go from there. So it's really straightforward. I hope you guys like this video. But what's the point of showing lights during the day? Let's go have some fun.